my name is Jacob Overton. I am a service tech for Weber Inc. America. I graduated the FIT program early February, late January, and started at Weber around April 10th. So it's been almost 10 months. So my transition from the EEST program into the FIT program was relatively smooth. I had to wait about a month because I graduated a little bit before the first class started. So I used that time to reflect on what I had learned and mentally prepare myself for something maybe a little bit more difficult. And then when I got into the classroom, it was business as usual. You still do your homework every day. You still do a lot of hands-on work with Kern in the classroom. And best part is he was always available to help me with any questions I had. FIT program helped me transition into my work life and my work life at Weber. One, by really helping me get the job in the first place, and two, they prepared me in abundance not only for the work I would be doing on the equipment, but also the interview phase to get me the job, to get me to work on the equipment. So FIT program not only gave me the technical skills I needed, but also the soft skills I needed to land a job in this industry. I would recommend this program not only because it's good for you, but the industry needs you. There are so many positions waiting to be filled. Just this year alone, and it's only February, we've hired 3 more people, and I know we're looking to hire another 7. I think joining the FIT program to learn these skills, definitely recommend.